Ritesh Deshmukh is as irritating as a flickering tube light.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
Yeah.
ये क्या कर रहा है भाई?
I don't remember criticism. I have any short-term memory. I really don't. मतलब बहुत होता है, आज भी होता है, but मुझे याद नहीं रहता.
Quick rapid fire. One word to describe Kakuda. All four of you.
Kaguda, I would say fun family watch.
Okay.
Oh, the film I thought.
The film of the ghost.
The film of the ghost.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the ghost?
okay.
The ghost? I think the
Ghost.
ghost best is in the film, right? So let's talk about
Yeah.
the film.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super fun and entertaining.
Okay.
Mad fun with great comedy.
Crazy, scary, funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If not Kakuda, one film of a horror genre which is your favorite.
Horror or horror
Horror, comedy, horror, anything.
The Sixth Sense.
You?
My favorite, Shining. The Shining.
Okay.
Ring.
English बोलनी है क्या? सब English
No,
बोल
no.
मुझे
in
दिखाना
fact,
पड़ेगा.
अगर
मैं
Indian-
हिंदी देखता
Indian
हूँ.
बोलने तो भूल भुलैया.
Bhool Bhulaiya.
Bhool Bhulaiya is very nice. The
is
first one.
Killer. I
Very
loved
nice.
it.
Okay.
Loved it. Yeah.
Okay. Which is the one film which is the most favorite of each other's filmography? And as a director, you can pick one of your favorite from all three. Each other's filmography.
Lutera.
एक villain Lotera, Munjia.
No, I think definitely Lutera for sure. I think everybody's going to always say that. And for him, a lot more. Ek Villain is his very different kind of work, though.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I've also loved Wade, so I think that is also a very good film.
Yeah.
That is a Marathi film.
Yeah.
So I think with Saqib, I had seen him do some really good work in this show called Crackdown.
Yeah.
Crackdown, you should
Brilliant.
watch him.
He was, yeah.
He's at his best, but his best film is
And
83.
Rangbaz. Rangbaz?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But Crackdown was very good. I loved
One.
Crackdown. 83 for him though.
83.
As a
Right.
film,
Thank you,
that
sir.
film. Yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Dombivli,
Dombivli.
एक villain, and दोबारा.
Dobara.
She's so mean यार. It's one of my better performances. किसी ने देखी नहीं है वो.
मेरे दोनों
My favorite
favorite
film of
में
Aditya is Fast
मुझे
and
बहुत
Furious.
पसंद आई. No, 83
Oh,
for him.
yes.
83.
Our first film together.
Our first film together.
Okay.
But it
What fun.
because it's a difficult genre to pull off. It's a boy detective genre and with a social messaging.
And it did so well.
Yeah.
It did. We were very glad with the reception, but all thanks to him.
Lovely.
Absolutely. Okay, since Kakuda is a horror comedy, which is your biggest fear as an actor and also in life as a person, if whatever you want to?
As an actor, giving a bad performance, and in real life, creepy crawlies.
Ah.
Yeah.
No, just the director walking up to me and saying, ये क्या कर रहा है?
Yeah.
ये क्या कर रहा है भाई? So that is like
It's scary.
ये
ये
क्या
तो
कर
नहीं
रहा
होना
है
चाहिए.
भाई? That's my biggest fear because
Yeah.
अब whenever I start a film, I have to tell myself हाँ मुझे acting आती है. चलो. So the first 2 days are always you're finding a rhythm, so you don't want your director to walk up
Has
and
it
say,
happened?
I can imagine.
Never, sir. Thank you. It has happened on an ad, my first ad film when I'd come here. So that's the trauma I carry.
Oh,
The director told me
it's deep rooted.
I had to lip sync some jingle, and I'd never seen what a Nagra is or how to do lip sync. I'd just come from Delhi,
Right.
and it was a set of some 300 people, and तब film पे shoot होता था.
Acha.
So I took some 5 takes. Sir, he bajawed me.
Oh.
Like to a point from the main lead in the ad, I become the last person on that train in the ad. I got replaced while the shooting was on.
Oh,
So that's a trauma that I have. So that and I think चूहों से बहुत मुझे डर लगता है.
What about you? Fear
Fear.
as an actor and as a person,
As a person, I think heights.
right?
Yeah. And as an actor, more than actor, I think I was hosting IFA Awards, and I was there on stage with Lara, even Sri Lanka. I was supposed to announce the name of the people, right? And it was one of the dignitaries of the state.
You got that wrong.
No, it's not the question getting wrong. And what happens while awards, you have a teleprompter which tells you exactly who's coming. Okay. And first 2 lines were written here, so I could read, but the name was there. my eyes were too tired and everything blurred. And suddenly I'm trying to figure out, and may I welcome on stage, and it's just blurry, it's not here, it's not there. And Lara just looked at me, should I take that, Ritesh? I said, please do. So the scary part is not having control over one of your senses. Your eyes, or there comes a time where if you talk too much, your tongue becomes very heavy and becomes slurry at times, right?
Yeah.
And not being able to enunciate when you want to.
Yeah.
So
That happens
becomes.
for other reasons also.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Nah, you wouldn't, but
Okay, last two questions. The best piece of advice and the worst criticism that you all have got as in your professional life.
Ritesh is as wooden as a wooden bench in the film.
What are you saying?
In earlier
Really?
part, and there's another critic who told me there's a film I'd done called Naach. And,
Do you know that film is so underrated?
I know
I
it.
love that
Yeah, I
film.
love
Speaking
the
about
film.
it, yes.
It is so
we just talked about it.
underrated.
Yeah,
it is
I
one
was
of the
talking
most
about.
underrated.
I know. So
You know the last scene.
we were just talking.
we were just
We were
talking
just
about the
talking-
last scene.
That silence.
We were just. I was just explaining him the entire dynamics of
You
the
were
scene.
too good. You were too good.
And for that scene, the critic had written that Ritesh Deshmukh is as irritating as a flickering tube light.
Oh, wow.
So now I didn't understand this criticism. So I remember calling up Ramuji, and I said, Ritesh, you read the review? I said, yes, sir. You're irritating like a flickering tube light. I said, yes, sir. Do you know what it means? I said, no, sir. I spoke to the critic. And he's told me that every time you're doing something, you're blinking. So it was irritating him.
Oh.
So I said,
It's
oh,
human to blink, sir.
So I just told him it's human to blink. Even you were blinking while watching the movie. But that's what he meant. So I'm telling him, see, the thing is, it taught me. Now every time I act, I try not to blink. Because a blinking while acting in an emotional scene disconnects the audience. And it is true.
Yeah.
So every criticism will teach you something, however offended you might be that he is being rude. As long as they're not getting personal, other things, you can criticize me for whatever and I'm fine with it.
I was part of a film called Race 3 that was trolled a lot, so I did get a fair share of criticism for it. So I remember it had reached a point for me that I was like, अरे यार सभी बुरा लिख रहे हैं इस फिल्म के मेरे बारे में कि why is he there, he's overacting, whatever. So I got really bogged down by it. So I remember I used to like एक आँख बंद करके रिव्यू पढ़ता था मैं ऐसे टेढ़ा ही होके मैंने कहा क्या आने वाला है समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या आएगा इस बार.
Easier to write to.
So I remember in fact there was a review by Film Companion Anupma Chopra I think, and it said the usually reliable Saqib Salim hams and underperforms and why is he even there in the film. So I deleted everything. I just picked up the usually reliable Saqib Salim. I know, now I'm fine. Now I've got my confidence back. Get me a job.
Let's see the
And
glass
that's when
half
I
full.
shot for Rangbaz after that. So I'm like, okay, chalo, usually reliable, theek hai. So that did happen.
I don't remember criticism. I need
Yeah,
a short-term memory. I really don't. मतलब बहुत होता है, आज भी होता है, but मुझे याद नहीं रहता.
Do you
No, see, people criticize because see, you give them that right to criticize.
Yeah.
You show them your film and you expect them to kind of have an opinion about it.
Yeah.
And it's okay that some people will like it, some people will not like it.
Yeah.
The problem is when what you're trying to tell people, if they don't understand the basic sense of the film. That's my. So I got a very funny review yesterday on Munja actually, where sir, your film was horrible. So I said, I'm so sorry. They said it's so horrible that I got very scared. And I'm trying to wonder what
It
is
was
the
a
meaning.
compliment or
So I said maybe you're trying to say that it was a horror film that you got kind of scared. So that's what you kind of take it as it is, you know. So I'm like wondering, अच्छा इसको बहुत बुरी लगी film, it was horrible. That's okay.
It is
डर
like
गए
that
horror film
review.
में
There
डर
was-
गए वो horrible
There's
film.
there's one guy who came out of the film, and he is Sajid Nadeer's friend. and he has a unique reaction to film. He comes out, क्या पिक्चर बनाई तुमने? कितना हंसा मैं पता है?
ऐसे कोई करता है क्या?
इतने ऐसे कोई हंसाता है क्या? कितना हंसा मैं? His expression and his feelings are not matching.
Yeah.
AV was not matching.
Yeah.
Audiovisual was
But that's the fun of it, you know.
Not in sync.
I love it when I get criticized about things because it really makes you reflect what just sir said. Na? It makes you kind of think, "Acha, ऐसा था क्या? We never saw it like this." But great, yeah, it is okay. Whatever it comes your way, you take it. Yeah.
And last question, Ritesh, since you and Genelia are literally couple goals and one of the most loved couples, do you have any marriage advice for the newly married Sonakshi?
I only have love and good wishes to them.
I'm passing on the energy.
I have no advice to give to anyone on marriage because I think their relationship is beautiful and they don't
That
need
is.
any advice.
That it is.
Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so
Well,
much.
but if you ask about Saqib,
Yeah, please give it to him.
Please tell us.
Get
since
married
he's
soon.
You want energy
newly
back?
engaged,
What is with you? It's his want. ये चाहते हैं कि he considers me his younger brother. He
Yes.
wants me to get married,
So
settle
please
down.
listen to him,
No, I'm
Saqib,
taking it very
now.
seriously.
Not him, we all want.
Does she know you're engaged?
who?
Who? Ankita? No, Ankita. You don't know.
No, you've not
But I'm not.
told
Acha,
me.
But
you
you
know,
know
acha, okay, fine.
You know that.
I don't know. I'm engaged.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Don't lie.
Yeah, sure.
Sit here. Don't lie.
I'm not.
Don't lie.
हाँ भाई बताओ.
ये शर्ट किसने गिफ्ट किया? कल आपने बोला मुझे.
I have a lovely stylist called Sanam Ratansi.
बड़े आए स्टाइलिस्ट वाले.
Saqib, you're going to tell this to me off the record also, huh? If
I-
you're not going to tell
पहले
me
मुझे
now.
पता चल जाए मैं जरूर आपको बताऊंगा.
As soon as he gets the information, it will be
It will come to you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. But for now, all the very best for Kakuda.
Thank you, thank
and
you,
actually,
thank you.
congratulations for it already, for the early reviews coming in.
Thank
you,
Thank you.
Ankita.
Thank you.
Thank
for
you.
such
And
a-
congratulations in advance.
Congratulations to
To you.
Saqib for his engagement.
अरे जब भी हुई,
जब भी होगी उसके
होगी,
लिए
हाँ।
जब भी हो- कभी ना
जब भी
कभी तो
होगी।
होगी गाइस कभी ना कभी होगी.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Thank you.
so
Thank you,
much.
thank you, Pawan, thank you.